Immerse yourself in nature's beauty. Soak in the rays of light. Let the sun rays gently titillate your skin. Take time to feel the wind breeze. Listen to the beautiful songs that the birds sing. Observe all of the greenery, all of the biodiversity within nature, all of the forms of life, sentient and non-sentient. Smell the various scents emitting from Mother Nature, the smell of soil and water. Listen to the cicadas. Become one with nature. Do not analyze, simply be. Focus on your breath, footsteps. Bombard your senses with all of nature's impressions, all of the signals coming from nature, all of the communication transpiring within the field of nature. Rediscover the childhood enchantment with everyday, ordinary life and all its content.